In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate images using Leonardo AI. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to add some dynamic flair to their visual content, whether for professional projects or creative experiments. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Leonardo AI app. You can find it online by simply searching for Leonardo AI, generate AI images, videos, and designs. Once you've landed on the homepage, you'll notice a variety of options, but what you want to do is look for the Sign In button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Sign In, you'll be presented with various options to log into your account. Choose the Google Login option for a quick and easy entry. Assuming you're already logged into your Google account, you should see a list of accounts. Simply select your account from the list. If you're not logged in, you'll have to enter your credentials. This step is all about facilitating a smooth connection between your Google account and the Leonardo AI platform. Once logged in, direct your attention to the video section on the platform. This is where the magic happens. Click on Video and you'll be taken to the video section where you can start creating dynamic images. The interface is user-friendly, but if you're new to it, don't worry. Just take your time exploring each feature. Next, you'll need to add an image to begin the process of animation. Look for an Add Image button, which will allow you to either upload your image or select one from the community feed. If you have your own image ready, simply upload it. If not, Leonardo AI's community offers a wide array of images that you can use, ensuring you have creative flexibility. Having chosen your image, click on the image itself. This selection sets it as the base for your animation. Now confirm your choice by clicking the Confirm button. This step might seem simple, but it's crucial for moving forward with the animation process. Once your image is confirmed, the next step is where creativity comes into play. You need to type in your prompt. This prompt is essentially a description or instruction for how you want the image to be animated. Be as detailed or as broad as you like, but more specific prompts tend to yield more tailored results. Finally, with your prompt set, the last step is clicking on Generate. This is the point where Leonardo AI utilizes its advanced algorithms to bring your image to life, creating an animation based on your input. It may take a moment, so be patient. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to animate images using Leonardo AI. This process opens up a plethora of opportunities for both beginners and seasoned creators alike, putting dynamic visuals within reach with just a few clicks. Thanks for joining.